What's up guys, it's Matt with Earl Owen Company, and today we're going to be spotlighting the NOCO Boost series jump starters. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Now NOCO sells a few different sizes of this boost, including a 20, 40, 50, 70, and this 150 that we're gonna be talking about today. There's a size out there that's right for you. It just really depends on what your needs are. But this NOCO Boost GB150 is a portable lithium-ion battery jump starter pack that delivers 3,000 amps for jumping a dead battery in just seconds. This thing is easy and safe enough for anyone to use, as well as it features patent technology that creates a spark-proof connection and polarity protection to keep you as safe as possible when using. Not only will this NOCO Boost jumpstart your vehicle, it also doubles as a portable power source that can be used to charge your smartphones, tablets, and much more. You can get up to 80 jump starts on a single charge with this thing. Like I said, it's ultra safe and mistake-proof design makes it safe for literally anyone to use. It also features a 500 lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including SOS, emergency strobe for if ever stuck in a sticky situation. And this is the 150, this is the big dog. It is designed for gas engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 7, like this Earl Owen Silverado 5500, or a box truck like this one, or even this 18-wheeler. As well as cars, SUVs, trucks, boats, RVs, and so much more. Guys, if you're interested in any of these NOCO products or any other products that you've seen us talk about in any other videos, make sure you go visit our website or give us a call for any questions you might have. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for some more truck-related content like this. See you on the next one.